Shit, look at that, look at that.
Cool car, isn't it?
Yeah, it's wicked. It's really good.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today's video is going to be a little bit different, a little bit special. Today I will be ticking off one of my New Year's resolutions, which was to get a new car. Really excited. Going over to Winsford next to Manchester, and it's a bit of a long journey, roughly around 2 hours or so. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in a bit.
This is the train to Gospel Oak. Lancaster, Oxenholme Lake District, Penrith for the North Lakes, Carlisle and...
Alright guys, so we're currently about an hour away to the dealer. Been a long journey. Currently here with my brother. I don't think you guys have seen him before, but a lot of people say that we do look alike, and even with masks on, so we both had masks on and we're sitting on the train, and a lot of people come and ask us, are you twins, are you twins? And just to sort of, although he's 5 years difference, 5 years older than me, you know, just to sort of save us the hassle, we just say, yeah, we are twins. But yeah, about roughly an hour away. Put in the comment section, guess what car I'm picking up today. Put in the comments. I'd like to see what you guys think what I'm sort of picking up. Don't say a supercar, because no, it's not a supercar. But yeah, put it in the comment section below. Let me know what you think I am picking up today, and I'll see you guys in about an hour's time. Alright, so we currently messed up. We messed up. So we were supposed to get off the train. We had a 2-hour journey on the train, and the train did not stop. It literally stopped for like 1 minute, expecting us to get off. We packed our bags. By the time we got to the door, the train had taken off again, so we missed our stop. So then we got off, and now we are currently just walking back. Yes guys, you guessed it right. I am buying I don't know if you can see that, but a Vauxhall. I'm buying a Vauxhall today. You guys guessed it right in the comments. Well done, whoever got it right. £20 prize for you. Look, check that out. Vauxhall. Yes, mate.
When's a good day for you?
Oh, is it that?
Swing the wheel down now, and I'll move straight back.
103. 103. Shit, look at that. Look at that, look at that.
What days you normally come to headquarters?
Sick.
Can't show it yet.
Like that.
Cool car, isn't it?
Yeah, it's wicked. It's really good. It looks a lot better in person.
It does. I was only back to the same. Loved it. Absolutely loved it.
So good.
Yeah, I'm playing around. I'll catch you in. What's the name, Jeff?
Sorry, man. I don't know what to say. Oh, this speechless. It's sick, wicked. And show them the inside. Little glimpse of the inside. Little glimpse of the inside.
Oh, that's it.
It's so good though. Wow. Amazing. Looks so good. I need to start the seat though, because the seat is a little bit mad right now. Right. Why are you exposing my seating position? This is too forward. Alright guys, so we just picked it up. All paperwork, everything is done. Check out the seats. Looks amazing. Outside of the car looks amazing. Just really speechless. Hamza, you're coughing. Hamza, what do you think of the car? Come on buddy, what do you think of the car?
It's good.
It's good.
Nice.
It's good. Very, very nice. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. I will be putting in some shots on my Instagram as well, a few pictures of the car. So check out my Instagram. I'll put my link in the description, and that's my Instagram anyway. But let me just show you guys quickly. Check it out. Beautiful interior. Love the interior, love the red. But yeah, quite a big difference between this and my Golf. So looking forward to driving this and keep you guys updated. Make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video.